Hello, and welcome to Vertex Forge's feature introductions. Today, we'll cover the visual editor. You will learn how to rapidly create and manage your content, and you will see that this feature is the core of your joyful headless content management experience. The visual editor is based on Storyblok and takes advantage of all of the convenient functionality that Storyblok offers out of the box, while combining and enriching it with various advanced features and convenience functionality to enhance your content experience. While it can be overwhelming at the beginning, let us look at the main working areas and capabilities of the visual editor that support your building experience. The main parts of the editor experience are the content area to the right, where you manage your components and content, and naturally the center stage of the visual editor, where you get your instant visual feedback. While hovering over your content, you can see the outlines of every building block on your page. In this case, we chose the home page to demonstrate a pretty simple landing page with various components to give you a more elaborate overview. Whenever you want to focus on a specific component in order to adapt its content or go to its content hierarchy, you can just directly click into its outline, which will immediately and visually tell you which component you just selected. Here, we jump by clicking directly into the rich text, heading and image components. You can also jump into the parent container. And what you can also do is click in between these items to jump up to the parent of these component blocks. While hovering the content on the right side, all the outlines are highlighted again. Furthermore, you can rapidly navigate your content through the content breadcrumbs. While this is how you primarily will be locating and navigating through your content, the blocks area on the left side gives you quick access to the available content blocks, while the layers area gives you a more compact but elaborate overview of your content tree and allows you quick access to even the deepest levels of your content. As previously mentioned, all of these options could seem a bit overwhelming at first. Still, for the time being, we can primarily focus on the content area and how to easily and quickly manage your content. So, what if we want to edit specific content on our page? We can either navigate through our content area and locate the specific component we want to edit, or jump directly into it through the visual editor preview, like in this rich text component, and start editing. One of the most convenient benefits of the visual editor is the instant visual feedback you get while editing your content. While editing, you always get an immediate visual preview of your changes. As you can see, it is extremely easy and convenient to edit your existing content through the visual editor and save it when you are done. Let's now go to the root of the page to see how you can rapidly add new content to your page. First, we locate the place where we want to add our new content. We go into this container component of the type section, which has a heading, rich text, and container components inside. When hovering over a specific place in your content, you see a little add icon appearing. Clicking on this icon opens the dialog for the components in the Vertex Forge component library that offer you endless versatility to build whatever you can imagine. For now, we will add an image component. The moment you click on the component to add, it immediately appears where you wanted it to be and shows the highlighted outline. And then you can jump into it. Don't focus too much on all of these different options available in this image component, because we will go through them in another video. For now, we will just choose the asset this image should use by clicking here. This automatically brings you to the asset library environment, where you can navigate through your available assets. And then I can just, for demonstration purposes, go to and select one of our OG images in the library. After adding it, it is automatically loaded and takes up the complete width available. If you would want to change that, you can easily take advantage and adapt the design to your liking through our Vertex Forge component theme plugin, which is available in every single component. To demonstrate how quick and convenient it is to design your content with instant visual feedback, we will change the size and position of this image. We first go to the sizing section of the component theme and set the width to 50%. As we now want the image centered, we then switch to the spacing area and set the horizontal margin to auto. As previously mentioned, the component theme plugin is available in every component. This gives you complete freedom to adapt every minuscule detail of your design while always having instant visual feedback and preview possibilities. This roughly summarizes how you adapt and add your content with total freedom and endless possibilities. Of course, you can also rearrange content per drag and drop or delete content blocks to your liking, and when you're finished, easily save your content. While managing your content, in this case a page, this piece of content can have different states. The current state is highlighted visually for complete transparency. We see that we saved the content but did not publish it. We will go into more detail about publishing and releasing content in another video. This should summarize our rough overview of Vertex Forge's visual editor feature, which empowers you to rapidly and conveniently create and manage your content with endless possibilities and instant visual feedback. If you still have any further questions, reach out and we will happily clarify whatever is on your mind.